United States law requires customer compliance with flight signs and crew instructions. All flights are non-smoking. This includes e-cigarettes and vaping. It is against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy any smoke detector in an airplane lavatory or drink personal alcohol while on board the aircraft. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this aircraft, including the location and operation of all exits and flotation devices. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front of the aircraft. Overwing exits are located in the center of the cabin. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs and lights. Keep in mind the closest exit may be behind you. And in an emergency, you'll want to leave all your personal articles behind and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen mask will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Although the bag will not inflate, oxygen is flowing. Please secure your mask first before offering assistance to others. Oxygen masks are also located in an overhead panel in the lavatory. To use, pull the yellow strap towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. In a water evacuation, your seat cushion can be used for flotation. To use, pull up to remove the cushion. Take it to the closest usable exit. When exiting the aircraft, place your arms through the straps on the opposite side and hug the cushion to your chest. If traveling with an infant lap child, and if necessary, or head to an infant life vest, these are located in a forward overhead bin indicated with a placard. Instructions on how to use an infant life vest are on the passenger safety card. In a few moments, I will be dimming the cabin lights. Individual reading light controls are in the panel above you. I appreciate your attention and invite you to relax and enjoy the flight. I will now demonstrate the oxygen mask and seatbelt operation.